Welcome to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive innovation. The 2025 Ford Puma is here, and it's ready to shake up the compact SUV market like never before. Sleek, efficient, and packed with tech, this is not just a car, it's an experience. Let's dive into everything that makes the new Puma a standout in its class. A design that turns heads. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Ford Puma is its dynamic and modern design. Ford has taken the already stylish Puma and elevated it with sharper lines, a bolder grille, and striking LED lighting. The signature C-shaped headlights now feature adaptive matrix technology, enhancing visibility while adding a futuristic touch to its appearance. Aerodynamics play a key role in the design. The flowing curves and sculpted rear spoiler don't just look good, they improve efficiency. And let's not forget the color options. Whether it's the eye-catching cyber orange or the elegant midnight blue, there's a shade for every personality. Interior, comfort meets high-tech. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's as refined as it is functional. Premium materials and soft touch surfaces create an upscale vibe, while clever storage solutions make it practical for daily life. Front and center is Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, displayed on a crisp 13.2-inch touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates to keep the software fresh. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to tailor the display to their preferences. But it's not just about tech, it's about comfort. The seats are ergonomically designed with heating and cooling options, and the ambient lighting lets you set the mood for any journey. Performance that excites. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Puma offers a range of powertrains to suit every driver. The star of the lineup is the new hybrid system, combining a 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid setup. This delivers both power and efficiency, making it ideal for city commutes and weekend getaways alike. For those craving a bit more excitement, the Puma ST variant is a game-changer. With its turbocharged 1.5-liter engine pushing out 200 horsepower, sport-tuned suspension, and enhanced driving dynamics, it's perfect for anyone who loves the thrill of the road. Ford has also focused on fuel efficiency and sustainability. The hybrid models boast impressive miles per gallon figures, and the use of recycled materials in the construction reflects Ford's commitment to a greener future. A safety and driver assistance? When it comes to safety, the 2025 Ford Puma doesn't compromise. It comes equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, a suite of advanced driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The Puma also introduces Ford's new intersection assist, which can detect oncoming traffic when making turns and automatically apply the brakes if necessary. Add features like a 360-degree camera and automated parking, and you've got a car that's as safe as it is smart. Practicality and versatility? Despite its compact size, the Puma is incredibly versatile. The innovative Mega Box storage solution in the trunk provides additional space for taller items or even muddy gear, thanks to its waterproof lining and drain plug. With the rear seats folded flat, the Puma offers best-in-class cargo capacity, making it perfect for everything from grocery runs to road trips. Pricing and availability? Ford has managed to pack all this innovation into a package that's competitively priced. The base model starts at an attractive price point, while higher trims offer luxury features without breaking the bank. With its combination of style, performance, and practicality, the 2025 Puma is a value-packed option in the compact SUV segment. Why the 2025 Ford Puma stands out. The 2025 Ford Puma is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who want cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly performance, and a design that stands out on the road. Ford has truly hit the mark, delivering a vehicle that's ready to take on the competition. So, what do you think of the 2025 Ford Puma? Is it the compact SUV you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Future Fuel for more reviews, insights, and all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.